Should I start a clap?
There was another bison on the side of the road. We're turning around.
Yes!
In case anyone wonders what living in a van looks like, this is van hair.
Oh, that's why I wear a hat.
Here's an update on our shower situation. I know many people were very, very concerned about
Look at that lake.
our hygiene. Whoa, that's crazy. We'll let you know that we jumped in a lake pretty much every day the past week.
Well, we didn't bathe every day.
We didn't bathe every day, but we jumped in the lake every day. I've washed my hair once in the lake. You know, we're clean. But I'm definitely needing a shower soon.
Vanlife!
I don't know when we're gonna get that though. And we're clean and we're happy. I don't know, baby.
Here's a good spot.
We're in Yellowstone.
Yay! We made it.
Made it to Yellowstone. This is the one he's been most excited about. Okay, let's do it. Fair. Oh, go back.
Or boating in the park, you'll need a Yellowstone permit. You can get a fishing permit.
I thought they were gonna play like wilderness music. But
so make sure you read the fishing regulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Picked a popular day to come to the park.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
man.
day.
Appreciate you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. The first thing I see when I open this map is it says, enjoy watching Yellowstone animals, but stay safe in all caps. They are wild and dangerous in all caps. Oh my gosh, that's intense. All this boy cares about is wildlife. He literally just said, why is there no wildlife on the road yet? We've been in the park for 10 minutes.
Bison. There's a grizzly bear over here. There's a tiger. No tigers in Yellowstone.
Definitely not.
But just these rolling mountains with all these animal patches, and we're just like.
What? Should I start a clap? As soon as it stops, I'm gonna start clapping and see if everyone else joins.
Okay.
Try again.
Yeah, you gotta try again.
Should I see if some of these kids will clap with me?
You just gotta commit. You gotta commit to clapping loud.
Alright.
Go, go, go.
Usually I'm a good clap starter.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Old faithful.
They accidentally filmed this in what year was it?
I think 1700.
In the 1700s, on top of like the water of the geyser. So this is built on top of like steaming hot water, and it was too late, so I guess it's safe. Let's see what they have. Everywhere we go, we're getting a magnet, so we have to pick out.
So something we're learning about van life is some nights we have no plan. So we have no idea where we're gonna stay tonight. There's a few options, but that's all a part of the fun.
Part of it.
We got a spot. We're very thankful for that because it said it was full, but we got a spot. We're in Madison Campground in Yellowstone, and apparently there's been 3 black bear sightings in the past week here.
Oh snap!
So,
Most of the time.
oh, hello. Okay. All right. So, yep. 134.
It's raining on the face.
This is my view.
we gonna talk right now?
What do you want to talk about?
How good this meal is.
It's a good meal.
Day 2. The twist. Little change of plans for ya.
We're leaving Yellowstone.
We're leaving Yellowstone. We were here for one night. It was a good night. It wasn't a bad night. First off, for campsite wise, like places that we're staying, we like to be more off grid and not have rules. And there are a lot of rules at national park campsites, like a ton.
And Marley can't do anything.
Yeah, Marley is not allowed to go on any hikes, go in any water. Long story short, we decided to make the 2-hour, 30-minute trek up to Bozeman, Montana. Somewhere in Montana. I think it's Bozeman, but it might be Billings. We decided to get Harvest Host, which is this like once-a-year fee where you can stay on people's properties, either if it's like a farm or a ranch or they just have land. So we just bought that this morning and we're about to head to a Harvest Host. I think it's in Bozeman. I'm almost positive it's in Bozeman, but it's actually a ranch. So we're going to a ranch tonight. Price of it is basically 2 campsites.
It's $85 for the year.
And yeah, and our campsite last night was $40.
So it's pretty
like,
nice.
If you're gonna stay at a campsite more than twice in 1 year, you should get Harvest Host.
Yeah, so at the Harvest Host, they just ask us to buy some sort of product, because a lot of them are restaurants or farms and stuff, so they have stores there. And they say, just out of respect, buying like a $20 or $30 gift from them to support those businesses and for letting you stay there.
Yeah.
Which honestly is worth it, because that's really like the price of, or less,
if not cheaper.
Than a campsite.
No freaking way.
What?
My goodness.
Oh.
You're kidding. Are you so excited?
That's awesome.
That's the only thing you wanted.
A bison. There's a grizzly bear over here. There's a tiger. There are tigers in Yellowstone. Oh my
And you just got it.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you, Yellowstone.
These are the faces of 2 people who saw a bison in Yellowstone.
I love that Marley barked at it.
She was like, yeah, what are you gonna do, Marley? That bison was humongous.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, Yellowstone.
Okay, Yellowstone was just redeemed. Right as we're driving out. There's another bison on the side of the road. We're turning around. This is insane. Another bison on the road as we're leaving.
So I shouldn't get out of my car.
Did you read any of the rules?
Yes!
Here, do you want to take a video?
Wow.
Hi, buddy.
Bill? Just casually out here chilling with the bison.
Bill. Bill.
Our second bison.
Look at his cute eyes. He's so cute. I just got to see 2 bison. I could have probably reached out and touched that second one.
I'm sorry, Yellowstone. I had some really harsh words earlier. The bison definitely redeemed you, and that landscape back there was sick, so I'm very sorry.